Happy New Year's, everybody. It's me, Philip James, and thank you for coming to my party. Hello, hello. It is Philip James, and thank you for coming to my party. Welcome back. Ooh, it has been a hiatus. I have taken a couple months off. Work was very stressful for me this year, so I didn't really have a lot of free time to spend playing with makeup with you all. But here I'm back. This is going to be my first video of the new year. Today I'm going to be opening my 2020 Beautylish Jeffree Star Lucky Bag. It was $75, and you got about $150 worth of product, I believe. And it ended up being like $90 with shipping, which I was a little shocked about the shipping, and it was like a pre-order, so it wasn't supposed to ship out until January 20th, but lo and behold, got an email saying, oh, your Beautylish Lucky Bag has been delivered. I'm like, I never got a tracking number. I was like, oh my gosh, what a surprise. I mean, I knew it was coming, but it was a lot sooner than what I was expecting. So, not gonna lie, I did already open it, so I know what's in it, but I want to kind of reenact it with you. I did know that they were going to be sending out a palette in every box, and I was really praying for like Thirsty or Alien, just because I know his announcement, it had been announced recently that they're discontinuing them. So I ended up getting, as you can see, well, you know, let's do this here. The box is open. I got the 5-year anniversary edition of the liquid lips, the Velour liquid lipsticks, which comes in the shade Drug Lord, Doll Parts, Androgyny, Mistletoe, and Ho Ho Ho. And I already have Drug Lord and Androgyny, but I do use Androgyny a lot actually, and I've always been interested to try Doll Parts. It was always sold out when I would go to purchase them, so this was actually really nice, and it's a recent thing, kind of a collector's item as well, so I did not buy anything for the 5-year anniversary relaunch I should say, so it's nice to get something in there. And then for the palette, I'm just gonna go doing it. I got Blue Blood. Love Blue Blood. Probably one of the better palettes, but you know, I already have it, which I already knew because I have all of the palettes, but it's okay, that's fine. I mean, it's a huge thing to put in a lucky bag. I next got the shade Ice Queen in the Liquid Frost. This was why I opened the box first, because I wanted to really see how this was gonna be. I did test it on my skin, and it is a really nice kind of icy purple shade. I'm just gonna open it. It's really pretty, very subtle. I wore it yesterday without like any other makeup on. I didn't put any foundation on. I just had some moisturizer, and I put a little bit of that on the high points. It's actually super subtle, really pretty. It's the Liquid Frost in the shade Ice Queen. Ice Queen, yeah. So once again, something I haven't tried before that I got, and I'm really super excited to try that out in my regular routine. And then the next thing I got, oh, I gotta reach back into the box. It is a Velour liquid lip liner in the shade Unicorn Blood, which I have Unicorn Blood, love Unicorn Blood. Don't really use a liner with it. It's very dark and there's a nice contrast, but this will be actually really nice to pair with it. I also got Designer Blood recently. I think it would go well with that. It's just like a dark red liner. This will come in handy, and I know you can put them in your waterline as well, so very excited to get this one. I was a little nervous, you know, I wasn't sure, like these lucky bags, it's always like a crapshoot or a mystery box, you know. they've come under fire recently, especially the Jeffree Star ones. That whole launch, what a mess. I'm kind of, I made some Black Friday purchases. I didn't talk about this because I haven't made a video. Here's the liner. But I ordered the Equality Lip Bundle. So, Equality Lip Bundle. I ordered a rose gold makeup tote, which is this one right here. And it's really nice, actually. I can't wait to take this when I travel. And I got designer blood. And I mean, I think I was one of the last ones to be shipped out because I honestly got it like, I don't remember the delivery date, but it was like a month. I think it was the 29th. It was a month from the day I ordered it that I got it. Now, in the grand scheme of things, that is not a huge deal. They weren't gifts. They were for me. I wasn't super upset by it. A little annoying because then when it came in, it wasn't like it's normally packaged where there is like beautiful amounts of crepe paper or tissue paper and like bubble wrap and everything. It was just literally looked like it had been thrown in the box. The liquid lippies kind of came all out of their little holder. I had to, luckily nothing was broken and nothing spilled, but I did manage to get them back into their little holder. Can't wait to play with this a little bit. I also kind of just like the case, you know. Not a huge like rainbowy person, but it's always fun to have some of these to play with, but just not in the lips, but just for face art and so forth. Really looking to expand my skill set with that this year. So stay tuned. Maybe you'll see these used in a future video. Speaking of future videos, if you like the makeup that I'm wearing right now, I already filmed a little bit of a video about that. So check that out. It will be posted probably after this one. But yeah, that was, oh, and I almost forgot. You guys are distracting me. I got one last thing in there, and it is the blue straws, which I've recently invested in some metal reusable straws. I have a collapsible one. I have like another nice one, but this is actually really nice. And, you know, I probably will use them. I definitely like the bendy ones. I think that those are something that I don't have. That'll be really nice. I guess I should have thought that they would have things other than makeup, you know, like accessories and so forth, but I'm really glad it was this. Blue is my favorite color. Kind of goes with my sweater. But that is the lucky bag from 2020, the Jeffree Star. I was super thrilled that it came, you know, unexpectedly and early, and hopefully you enjoyed it too. Let me know if you ordered it, what did you get in your box? I'm sure I'll be scouring the internet to see how many variations there are of this Beautylish brand, which I've really been, it's not really a brand, but you know, it's like a retailer. I've been really excited. I am really excited to see what other people received in their boxes. And Beautylish is just one of those companies where I have always had a really great experience with them. From their flex pay to like the fact that they ship so quickly from the West Coast to me in Pennsylvania. And I've never had a bad time with them, even around the holidays. It was a little bit slower than normal, but it was still stellar. Come to expect great things, and I'm going to continue to do that. So I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe while you're at it, because I'd really like it for my new year to see my subscription base grow and to really, you know, have fun and teach myself makeup while I'm encouraging others. So, I mean, that's pretty much my mission statement, other than to just be really vain and beautiful. Anyway, thank you so much for coming to my party, and you know, I really miss you already.